Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Kazim from dragonblogger.com, and the following video is for the demonstration of Tesoro Excalibur RGB Backlit and Lightning Effect. The Tesoro Excalibur spectrum comes with RGB LEDs installed, which means you can set the keyboard in any color you want from the selection of 16.8 million colors. It's a good thing that there's a ton to select from, but personally, or rather I can say generally, people only stick to a few colors. Here's an example of LED when the keyboard is set to red color. Here's how the green color look like, and here's the blue color. Let's see how the Tesoro theme color look like, and here it is, the purple color. You can set any color you want on the keyboard from the illumination tab of the software. Now let's talk about the lighting effect of the keyboard. There is a total of 8 lighting effects for the keyboard as tangible in the configuration software. There are also a total of 5 profiles in which you can set different lighting effects and color by the software as well. So our first lighting effect is the standard lighting effect, in which the LEDs lights up in normal color. You can change the color of the LEDs in the illumination tab, which I just demonstrated you in the colors part. Our next lighting effect is the trigger effect. In this effect, all the LEDs are turned off, or you can say set to black color, but when you press any key, the key lights up in the color you have selected in the illumination tab and turns off after a while, as you can see. Okay. Next one is the ripple effect, as suggested by the name. Whenever you press any key on the keyboard, it sends ripple throughout the keyboard in the color you have selected in the illumination tab. Pretty sick, eh? Our fourth effect is the firework. In this effect, whenever you press any key on the keyboard, the key and the surrounding keys lights up in a way that it kind of looks like a blowing firework, you can say. You can see the surrounding keys are adjusted as well to make it look like a firework. The fifth effect is called radiation. As suggested by the name, when a key is pressed on the keyboard, the LED color are spread throughout the keyboard. It's similar to the ripple effect, but in this case only a few surrounding keys and the same row lights up. Next one is the breathing effect, the most common one. There's no need of pressing any keys in this one. The LEDs just lights up and turns off continuously, giving it a breathing feel, or you can say look. The seventh effect is one of my personal favorite, the rainbow wave effect. Easily understandable by the name, the LEDs on the keyboard just lights up in the rainbow or multiple colors in a similar way of the ripple effect, but without any need of pressing the keys. And the eighth and the last effect is the spectrum color. In this effect, you can separately assign any key to any color and turn off the LEDs on the keyboard you don't want to see glow. There are 3 sub-effects in this spectrum color mode called shine, breathing, and trigger. When shine is selected, the LEDs on the selected keys lights up in the color you've selected. When breathing is selected as suggested by the name, the selected keys start to breathe in the color you have selected in the illumination tab. This is, by the way, my CSGO profile. So you can see WASD, B for the pie, Y and U for the chat, 1 2 3 for the weapon switch, tabs, scoreboard, control, alter for my mic, etc. Okay, when the trigger mode is selected, whenever you press, as the name suggested, whenever you press the key you have set in the software, it lights up. Okay, so this sums up the video demonstration of Tesoro Excalibur Spectrum, RGB Backlit and lightning effect. Don't forget to check out the complete review of the keyboard on dragonbloggers.com. Ahmed Kazim out.